Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm here with this Nestle product. It's a toffee crisp bites, and it has small chocolates inside it, and it's a coca plant by Nestle. So each two pieces contain this much of energy, fat, and everything is mentioned over here. All the nutritional information is mentioned over here. That is also 2 pieces equals to 1 serving, they're saying. And what else? So does it have, no, it does not have that opening seal kind of bag. So once I'll cut, it will be cut. So this is how it looks like from inside. There are more. So this is how the toffee looks like, the chocolate looks like. I have a knife. I'll try to cut it out and show you from inside how actually it. So this is how it looks like. It has some kind of crunchiness, chunks. As you can see in the pic also, there are some chunks, and this is how it looks like. So go and try these. I've already tasted them. They taste yum. Hope you could hear that crispiness coming with these, and rest portion is like really soft. Even though I kept it in fridge, but still it is yum. Loving it. So go and try these. It tastes yum. Thanks for liking, share, and subscribe my video. Bye bye friends. Take care.